Section C, question number 27. If 60% of the population has black eyes, 20% have brown eyes, and the remaining have blue eyes, what is the probability that a person selected at random has blue eyes? Black eyes, 65%. Brown eyes, 25%. Therefore, blue eyes is equal to 100. Total percentage 100. 100 minus black eyes minus blue eyes, that is 65 minus 25 percentage, that is equal to 10%. Question എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ probability that a person selected at random has blue eyes, probability of getting blue eyes, that is total blue eyes 10% ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ probability 10% ആണ്, that is 1/10 ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ആൻസർ. പാർട്ട് 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബ്രൗൺ ഓർ ബ്ലാക്ക് ഐസ്. Total brown eyes, brown or black eyes is 65 plus 25, that is 90%. Therefore, probability of brown or black eyes is 90/100, it is 9/10.